Okay, Little Flood is a high-tech company founded in October 1999.
Okay, sorry.
And we are mainly engaged in research, development, production, and sales of peristaltic pumps, gear pumps, syringe pumps, and OEM pumps. And we also make the customized products for our customers. Okay, and with all of these pumps, we got many of the certificates, such as ISO 9001, CE, Rose, Bridge.
I can show you some.
Yeah. Okay.
This is a Rose certificate.
Okay, very good.
Yes, you guys can see it clearly.
Yes. What's the meaning of this Rose? After got this Rose certificate, we can sure that Little Flood pump has a good quality,
yes.
And you can buy our pumps be safe. Such as if you use the pump heading for the pharmaceutical or medical, it will be very perfect.
By the way, which country needs this certificate?
Okay, some of the more of the countries, such as Europe and the US,
okay.
And some of the customers, especially for medical or pharmaceutical, they will use this certificate to ensure that the pump head in the good quality.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. There's another certificate.
Oh, what's that? Okay.
You guys can see it.
It's a patented technology from Little Flood. Yeah. We also have many of patented technologies, and we'll show you in other time. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. We also insisted in many of new products, and we also get the patented technologies. Okay. And our pumps are also widely used in many of the industries,
Yes.
Such as the pharmaceutical and the environment, biological, and water treatment, and other industries.
Yes. Also sea treatment.
Okay. Yeah. Over this industry, we are selling hot, and every day we sell many of the pumps from all the world. We are very busy from every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
Because we have many orders.
Okay. We also have many agents in our countries, right?
Yes.
How many countries?
About more than 180 countries all over the world.
Okay.
Such as Asia, Eastern Asia, Europe, North America, South America, also
Okay.
Africa.
Okay, very good.
Also Africa is
So far.
so far.
Yeah.
But we also have orders from Asia.
Okay. And we export to more than 100 countries. And we already have the more than 1,000 clients from all over the world. Yeah. Little Flood has a 4 products line, And how many models in our country?
You mean the
Yes.
pump models?
Yes.
Can you introduce to us?
Yes. It's more than 130 models in our company. All of them are self-developed and many in precision pumps. Yeah. All of these pumps are widely used in the variable liquid dosing or transfer and handling or variable of the liquids in many of the industries. Yeah. Okay. Oh, how many patents we have? Let me introduce for you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. In our company, we have 11 inventions and 4 international patents and 30 utility models and 19 appearance patents and 12 software patents and 8 registered patents. Okay. This means that we are very stronger and many of the new products and from our company. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Based on the Dana's introduction about the pump, we will